So good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here on NCERT exercise 12.1 of chapter ratio and proportion. Now please remember beta that from question number 1 to 5 I have recorded another video. In that you will find all the question solution. Fine. Let us start from question number 6 right now. If you must be remembering question number 6 we have done yesterday also the same pattern. Fine. So we will be discussing right now from question number 6. We will be doing only 2 questions from question number 6. Fine. Not A and B. D and B. B and D. B and D. So B is 98 to 63. And for D, it is 30 minutes to 45 minutes. 30 minutes to 45 minutes. In both the questions, we have to find out ratio. Okay? If you will see question number B, no unit. It means there is no harm into it. Okay? क्योंकि यूनिट है ही नहीं तो हमें यहाँ पे कॉमन इक्वल करने का कोई टेंशन नहीं है. But if you will find question number D, you have units, but both the units are same. So again, you don't need any kind of conversion of it. Fine. So direct answer you have to solve. For first one, your ratio would be 98 by 63. And for second question, your ratio would be 30 by 45. No need to write minutes because they are same. Fine. Now you only tell me. First you tell me this one. By which table you can cut both? 5. 5, 6, 5, 9. Will it cut more? 3. 3, 2, 3, 3. Will it cut more? No. Final answer 2 ratio 3. 2 is to 3. Fine. Now think of a table which can cut this. 7. 7 के table में 98 how many times? 14. Great. 7, 14. Yeah, you can call it 14 sevens. Yes, now 63. 7, 9. Now will it cut more? No. Final answer 14 ratio 9. Question is done. Now question number 7. In question number 7, the question is again find the ratio of the following. But if you will find the question, there are different units in both the terms. Okay? So if you will find this question, you have minutes here and you have hours here. It means first thing to you are knowing it is very sure that both the units are from time only. ठीक है, time भी से hour आता है, time से ही minute आता है. So first you make a common unit which you can convert it easily. So you are knowing hour to minute would be more easy for you all. So you must be knowing beta 1 hour जब हम लेते हैं that means 60 minutes and 1.5 लेते हैं that means 1.5 hour. ठीक है? So 60 plus 30 which will give you 90 minutes. So I am writing directly 90 minutes and this was already 30. Now same unit, find out ratio from it. Ratio would be 30 by 90. Same, see, I have told you yesterday also, if same number of 0 at the top, same number of 0 at the bottom, you can cancel it directly. 3 by 9 bacha. Now which table can cut this? 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 1 is to 3 is the answer for this particular question. Okay. So now question number B of 7th one only. 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Again it is in decimal. 1 whole means that you are talking about 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 0.5 means again half of the meter. Half of the meter means 50 meter. So 150 total 150 centimeter. So it means in this place you will write it down 150 centimeter. This is already 40 centimeter. Now both are common units. Simply find out ratio of them. It would be 40 by 150. Yes, 0 will be cancelled. 10 to 10 it will cancel. 4 by 15. Will it cancel more? It will not cancel more. So our answer would be 4:15. Finished. Students, I gave you 2 extra questions which is not from your NCERT, but it is little complicated. Little complicated means in this one, in this it is written kilometers and here it is centimeter. So kilometer and centimeter direct conversion is not possible. Fine? Yes. So question number A1 has no conversion, direct conversion here. It's kilometer and it's centimeter. So पहले तो kilometer को first let us convert in meter first, and then meter को we'll go to centimeter then. ठीक है? So 1 kilometer means 1000. So direct हो गया कितना? 14,000 meter to 150 centimeter. अभी भी common नहीं है. Let's make it one more step ahead. 1430 was already there, and you are knowing meter centimeter means again 2 more zeros will come. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, so 2 more zeros will come here. Fine. Now to 150 centimeter. Now both are in centimeter. Now you can solve ahead by taking the ratio. 1010 will get cancelled, and now you are knowing you can cancel by 5. 5 3s are 15, and this will give you 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40, and यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 3 zeros more. Our answer would be 28,000 ratio 3. This is the final answer for this. I'm speaking once again. See, it was in kilometer, it was in centimeter. Kilometer से direct centimeter में you cannot convert. No, first you will go to kilometer to meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So 1000 means 3 zeros you have taken. ठीक है, अब हो गया ये मीटर में. Now meter to centimeter, 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 2 more zero you will add it. So 2 more zero I have added it. Now this is centimeter, and this was already centimeter. So I have taken directly ratio, and by cancelling it, cancelling के लिए तो बेटा you should know your IQ that time. You can cancel 0 by 0. You can learn the table, which table it is cutting from. Fine? Yes. अब ये days और week वाला question. See, days and weeks, again you have to think of, you can convert in hour, both you can convert in hour. Week को days में भी convert कर सकते हो. ठीक है? यहाँ पर, but यहाँ पर आपको पता है 4 weeks मतलब 1 month. 1 month मतलब 30 days. Clear? See, 4 week means 1 month, and this is 3 days only. Now 3 days it will remain same. 1 month means 30 days. Now this question has become with the similar quantity. So find out ratio as, yes, 3 by 30, 1 by 10 means 1 ratio 10. Just a second, beta. No, beta. See, this was 1 week. 4 week is equals to 1 month. This is approximation. ठीक है? तो अब एक 2 दिन एक्स्ट्रा भी होते हैं, तो ये तो वीक में रेशियो ले लिया आपने. अब आप इसको ज्यादा कंफर्मेशन के लिए अगर आपको आंसर चाहिए तो यू कैन गो अहेड विथ आवर्स. ठीक है? 3 days, 1 day is equals to how many hours? 24 hours. 24 into 3 ये हो गया आवर्स में कन्वर्ट. ठीक है? तो 4 weeks. 1 week is equals to 1 week is equals to 7 days, and 1 hour is equals to 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So this is 4 week multiply by 7 days multiply by 24 hours. ठीक है? See, that is why I told you it's a little complicated, which I gave. You have to use your brain. Now find out ratio, because it's now, see, I am not cutting it, I'm not multiplying it, I'm directly writing this. ठीक है, 24 तो बेटा वैसे ही कैंसिल हो गया. ठीक है, no need to multiply it. Now upside you have only 3, 7 4s are 28. Answer is 3:28. ठीक है, आपका वाला. This is the more appropriate answer for it. Fine. Question number 8 says that in a year, Seema earns rupees 1,50,000. Earns means होता है बेटा the salary or the amount which she gets. ठीक है? And she saves 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees means that saving means सारा खर्चा निकाल देने के बाद she saves 50,000 for the future purpose. ठीक है? 1,50,000. Okay. Now you have to find out the ratio. सबसे पहले लिखते हैं यहाँ पे. Just a second. Earning is rupees 1,50,000. It is not told. Saving was rupees 50,000. Question number 8 it is. Now understand this. See this. Earning is rupees 1,50,000. Saving is rupees 50,000. That means, can you please tell me how much he spent? 1 lakh rupees. Spend मतलब होता है कितना उसने खर्चा कर दिया. तो अगर 50 बच रहा है इसका मतलब 1 लाख उसने खर्च कर दिया. So this is rupees 1 lakh. Fine. Now it is asking in two parts, A and B. This much part is compulsory for all the word problems. Fine. This much part is compulsory for all the word problems. This much information you have to give in all question. Fine. Now it is telling you have to find out money, take out the ratio of money that Seema earns. Earns means earning. Money she saves means how much she saved. So first one, ratio is earning to saving. How much is earning? 1,50,000. How much is saving? 50,000. Now see, cut the zeros. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Equal number of zeros. 15 by 5. Which table can cut? 5 ones are, 5 threes are. 3:1 is the answer for this. Okay. Spent 1 lakh. Now second question, just a minute beta. Second question for this one, it is asking you have to find out the ratio between saving amount and spending amount. For B, saving and spending. How much was the saving amount? 50,000. And how much was the spending amount? 1 lakh. Okay, again cancel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cancelled. What is left? 5 and 10. Which table? 5 again. 5 ones are and 5 twos are. Answer is 1:2.